Hi guys, if you can't open the gas tank door by pressing this button in your Lexus UX, this could mean that either the battery is dead or the electric actuator is out of order. Today we'll show you how to open it from inside the trunk of the vehicle. Inside the trunk of the Lexus UX you will see this plastic cover on the left side, which you need to remove. You have to start removal from the right side. And as you can see, on the right we have a clip and on the left we have a hook. So if you start to remove it on the left side, you will likely break the hook. Inside of this opening you will see a small black handle, which we'll try to show you right now. Here you will see the white actuator and there is a black handle on the left. By pulling this handle, you will be able to open the fuel tank door. After you pull the handle, the gas tank door will open, and right here you actually see the latch, and when you pull the handle, this happens, it retracts inside, and this allows the gas tank door to get open. As I said, in case if you have problems with your button and it won't open the fuel tank door, this is the way to do it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this procedure will help you, and we'll see you in the next video.